In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Zerion Wallet extension. We'll keep things simple and make sure you're getting the official extension safely on your browser. First, open your browser and go directly to Zerion.io. Typing the address yourself helps you avoid lookalike sites. When the page loads, glance at the address bar to confirm you're on the secure official site. You should see the familiar Zerion branding on the homepage. This process works best on the latest version of Chrome, and the experience is similar on many Chromium-based browsers. On that homepage, look for the download option. It's usually prominent near the top of the page. Click download, and you'll be taken to the extensions listing in the Chrome Web Store. Before you install anything, it's a good habit to verify you're on the authentic listing. Check that the developer name references Zerion and that the design and screenshots match what you saw on the official website. Next, click Add to Chrome. When you do, Chrome will show a small window describing the permissions the extension needs. Take a moment to read these. Wallet extensions typically require permission to read and interact with the sites you visit so they can connect to decentralized apps. That's normal for this kind of tool. When you're ready, click Add Extension in the confirmation window. Chrome will download the files and install the extension automatically. You might see a brief progress spinner and then a notification confirming the extension has been added. In many cases, a new tab opens with a welcome page from Zerion to let you know the installation was successful. That's it, your Zerion wallet extension is now installed. From here, you can continue following the on-screen prompts when you're ready to set up your wallet. If you're ever unsure, you can always revisit the listing in the Chrome Web Store from the download link on Zerion.io to confirm you installed the correct extension. A few quick safety reminders as you proceed. Only install browser extensions from official links, keep your browser up to date for the latest security patches, and never share sensitive wallet information like recovery phrases or private keys with anyone. Installation itself never requires you to type those details. To recap, we went to Zerion.io, selected download, clicked add to Chrome, and confirmed by choosing add extension. Follow these steps and you'll have the Zerion wallet extension ready to go in just a minute.